Montage of 52, and sorry about that. Half the entire and stuff I was recording, the microphone wasn't on, but now it's officially on. That way you can hear the in-game, and you can hear me talking, or when I say fuck, when I don't get a shiny. But I guess you guys can enjoy this quick cat. You guys can enjoy this quick montage of me trying to catch a shiny and not catching any.
I do get a shiny, though. It's kind of a shiny montage, basically, because I figured it would just be easier to do a shiny monthly montage, and then, figure it out in the future, how we're going to do these videos. So there'll probably be a shiny monthly montage, and like the raids for them, and also not a transfer challenge, but definitely a raid forum, and all the raids leading up to the shiny as a separate video, a shiny monthly montage, and what else? What about just like daily incense or something like that? Or I'll just record anytime I have a shot at something, and then just in case, and we'll leave the audio in there so you can hear it, I guess.